up, guys? We're headed to the carpet stand. Gonna turn these hounds out. I got 6 collared up. We'll fix to turn off in here and see if we can't make a little racket. Got standards all the way around this area here, so maybe somebody will be able to see it. Y'all hang with us. Let's see if we can bring you a video. All right, here we go, Cinnamon. You ready, girl? You ready, girl? Huh? You ready? You ready? Come on, get in here. Come on, get in here. Come on, get in here. Hurry. 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 Hurry. Get in there, Cinnamon. Come on, Sam. Hurry, Cracker. Hurry. Hurry. Woo. Hurry. In there, Ruger. Hurry. Woo. Hurry. Come on, Jane. Hurry. Woo. Hurry. Hurry. Woo. Get in there. Hurry. Woo. Well, they're all packed together at least. We'll see what they do. Get a little bark out of the big dogs. The old dogs, I say the big dogs, they are the big dogs. But they're older too. They're about to get under it. Maybe. Yeah, big dogs got under it now. Maybe they got under it.
Yeah, somebody better get that pond they're gonna cross.
I've been up there about 10 minutes. I ain't seen nothing. The dogs come out though.